So here I am getting a windshield done for the tracker. This documenting everything, you know, showing that the project is coming along. I don't know how these guys did it, but they were able to get a new one, which surprises me a lot. I mean, I went into the obstacle of getting, having to find parts for this thing. I'm not getting any promotion for this, but I saw them doing a job in another customer when I was getting tires for the tracker, so I grabbed a business card and I gave them a call. So I post the aftermath because I don't think people want to see people working. And over and out.